Hey, so check this out. I have Alfa Romeo Giulia, which is not the quadrifolio, but I absolutely love the car. And it's in the shop for a warranty repair. And Todd Maserati Alfa Romeo drops off this loaner and to take in my car for the repair. So not only are they picking up the car, not only are they going to repair the car, but man, I get to drive a Maserati today. Woohoo! Completely within the compliance levels of the law. Let's go and check out what this can do and what it drives like. All right. So unfortunately, being a giant human has pros and cons, and sunroofs and me just don't get along. But oh my, is this car nice on the inside.